Good morning, coach. Okay, let's start. Is your cousin Teddy? Is a waiter. He's single and he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
No!
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Judy!
Sorry, Mr. Morris. She looks
Tell me something about her.
she's an architect.
Artist.
Married?
Divorce.
2 kids? 3 kids? 4? 5 kids?
No kids! Only 8 more. Here's an easy.
I don't know.
It's my father!
I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you
It's
have
not
such a
that
large
large.
family? Not that large. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I say that a larger family.
They're not all coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay, I'm okay. Your cousin, John.
Oh!
Thanks.